About to get this paint tomorrow, hopefully, if everything works out the way it's supposed to. In the black Max. And right now I'm just gonna go over to the shop quick so we can pull these door handles off. So we can paint the handles off the car, and I think everything else. I don't know what else. I think that's about it. The headlights and taillights are in for now, just so I can drive it. And then we'll pull those out in the morning quick. And yeah, man, that's about it. I got the paint already. I picked it up today. Base coat, clear coat, and you know, the reducer, hardener, all that stuff. Got that. And what else? That's about it, I think. We're gonna see if we can bring it to the body shop after after we get these handles out, because it might rain and I don't want to be able to not paint it because of the rain, because we're not going to drive the car around if it rains, obviously. That'll mess up all the prep work. So yeah, man, one step closer. The paint is done. We'll clean everything up again, and after a couple weeks I think I can, you know, wash it normally and do all the other stuff and make everything nice again. Get my head unit in there that I never finished installing, which is fine because it would have been getting stuff all over it anyway right now. So get new tints, because these tints are done, shot, and you know, maybe some wheels, you know, little by little. I'm not independently wealthy or anything, so we'll just do it. And I don't want to use a terminology that my man can't stand, but I'm doing this in stages. All right, later.
Redlock's killing it.
All right, it's so we painted the car on Saturday. It's Monday morning, and we just took the car out of the shop. We are at G's place. Car looks great. Your hair is great. So how do you feel about it?
No, dude, it actually looks really good. It came out good.
Redlock's killing it.
I need a couple areas rough. The roof is fantastic. But yeah,
It's better than I imagined, honestly.
it's better than I imagined too. It's as bad as this car was before.
Yeah.
Is the guy you bought this from still on the forums?
I didn't buy it from a guy in the forums. I found it on Craigslist. So we're gonna take it back to my place, which is just like less than 2 miles from here. We're gonna leave all of the extra pieces here at G's. Front and back bumper and all that stuff here. The mud flaps, the handles, blah, blah, blah. Spoilers. The car is gonna go back into my garage, and we're gonna let it sit for a couple weeks, I think, and just let the paint harden good. A couple weeks, right?
More than 2, less than 4.
Okay. All right, guys, that's where we're at now. So I'll check you out on the next one.